Now we are going to upload the marketing data set. So I have 5 data frame which I am uploading. Let us see the market fact data. Okay, so now under the market fact data I have sales, discount, order quantity, profit. These are the numerical value. Now to plot the numerical value, the best way is the box plot. Now the box plot actually tells the range of the value, it tells the median, it mean, and 25th percentile, 75th percentile. Obviously this you can change it. So let me first plot the box plot. Okay, now here I have a box plot. So on the y-axis you can see the range of the number of the order quantity, and the orange line indicate the median of the column order quantity. So basically this indicates that the values under the order quantity are fairly reasonable and there is not much variation in the order quantity. Let me plot the another one of the sales data. Okay, the output is really not readable here. So it's because of the sales data are having wide variation. If I describe the sales data here, if you see, the difference between mean and the median is very high. Likewise, the difference between 25th and 75th percentile is also very high. Now to make the data reasonable, we can make the use of the log function. So what the log does, it actually decreases it brings the value to the reasonable range, so it's quite readable without any loss of information. So here what I have done, now here I'm going to plot two box plot of same column, sales data and sales data. The only difference is that I'm going to scale the sales value by using log function. Now here if you see, my first sample is not readable and my second sample it is now readable. Now in the box plot there are few things which you need to understand. First thing is that there are some points which are out of this line, which are above this line. So these are called as an outlier. It means that this line shows 25th percentile and this line shows 75th percentile. These outliers are very high value. So under the sales column there are some data which are very high value of 10,000 or 20,000, but the most of the data are within the 25th to 75th percentage. So let us now do another plotting. So we will plot the histogram. So basically histogram tells the quantity of the value in a data frame. So from this output we can infer that, first of all let us understand the meaning. This shows the sales value and this shows the frequency of the sales value. If you see, the lower the sale, the higher is the record count, and the higher the sale, the lower is the record count. We can also plot two variables together. So this is called a scatter plot. So it shows the sales versus profit. Sales is on x-axis and profit is on the y-axis. And if you see the distribution of the plot here, there is one outlier. But from this plot we can really understand that the higher the sale, the higher the profit. But then if you see, there are some values where the sales is higher but the profit is negative. So this tells two stories. First of all, most of the data are having higher sales and higher profit, but there are few data where the sales is higher but the profit is low. So such a situation we need to avoid. So in the next session we are going to learn more about the advanced plotting like Seaborn. which is a library beginner Python, and it will be used for beautification of the plot.